Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got this Athearn U50. I added the dual GE sound to it from Tsunami and did the weathering and all the lighting upgrade as well. So I have the sound shut off right now just because I want you to hear it start up. So why don't we do that? You'll hear both engines start. Which I thought was a pretty cool thing for Tsunami to do. Alright. So there's the headlight, and I had an extra lighting output function, so I just made that separate for the other headlight. And I'll have to find the correct horn for that. There's a dual speaker in there. That is a beast. Let's get this thing rolling and listen to it. Can you imagine two of these together with sound? Is like too cool. Sorry about that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to do another one of these just for sale. That one's for a client. Alright, see you later. Bye.